Welcome back to the DIY remodel show. Today I'm going to show you guys how to plumb out underneath the sink, starting with the copper stub outs. I'll go step by step, and I'll also provide with you the tools that you're going to need to do this job. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe and follow along for more. It really helps grow the channel. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, let's walk through how to plumb out the underside of this sink here. I just shut the water off. Kind of measuring the distance I'd have. That way when I put the beauty cap on, there'd be enough room to put the shutoff on. You can hear the hissing. I opened up a faucet downstairs so it'll all drain down. Now the hot. There is a bathroom upstairs, so I wouldn't be surprised if a little water came out. Okay, real quick, here's everything you're going to need for this project. Sawzall or cutting device for the drain, some channel locks, pliers, cutoff tool, some abrasive material, the stub outs, and your plumbing supplies. Okay, you don't need this top part unless you're doing a compression fitting. Now it's important to get it pretty tight. Okay guys, as you saw there, make sure not to over tighten those. I like to kind of wiggle these a little bit until they thread on properly. Yeah, so when I start to feel those get tight, I go about another half turn. That's usually good. Okay, we Tefloned our tailpiece. Make sure we don't cross thread it. And get our height figured out. So yeah, we will want to use the extension. I think it'll just squeak by there. Mark it right there. Okay, now I like to tighten everything starting from the farthest point. I go hand tight and about a half turn with the wrench. And then we'll, because okay guys, that's how it's done.